Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you said. You said that you would come again. You said that we would remain friends, but you know that I do not depend on nothing or no one. So why would you show up so uninvited? Then just change my mind like that. Please don't take this personal, but you ain't shit and you weren't special till I made you so. You better act like you know that I've been through worse to you. I just can't keep running away. But I don't need you. 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 But I want you. I don't mean to. I don't mean to. I don't mean to.
Welcome back to my channel. How my girls doing? Let's just get into it. Daily vlog style. It's me looking crusty getting ready for the gym for me. I need to put on a hat because this is out of control. I don't have a shirt on because I am wearing a sweatshirt to the gym. I like to sweat on my leg days, okay? I go to a gym over on like Manhattan. Love that gym. It be cool. The men be fine. So excited. Gym fit on. Hair crusty. I have product in my hair. But no, we are gonna go to the gym. I just ate my breakfast and it was low-key hidden because Aldi, what did you put in the things? Like, they are so good. I was like, okay. I am on a GLP-1 medication, so to help me with my hormones, because they are raging. And I have like insulin PCOS, so like my insulin gets elevated very quickly and it's a hot mess. So I've been trying to fix that. It's actually my second week on my GLP-1, which is crazy. I really do feel a difference and it's insane. And it's not as scary as what people make it seem. I definitely want to get my health in order for my future family. I'm a very family-oriented person, so I don't play. Show y'all my feet. Oh, you still can't see? Super simple. I'm gonna put my New Balances on and put some lotion on. I don't ever wear lotion. That's one thing about me. I am out. No lotion girly. Does it look messy back there? It don't. It's not that bad. Today is also injection day, and I'm like, I be nervous every time I do it. This is only my second week. I have a weight loss coach. She really does care about your health, how your journey is gonna go, and just like overall, she's just that girl. She's so helpful. You can't be stank going to the gym, so I always like to wear it. Today we are wearing Kylie's Cosmic. This is bussin'. Like, it, you know when you have a perfume on and it goes on and it smells good, and then later on it still smells good? This is the one. I think there is one of the finest men I have seen in life at this gym. I be like in awe. He's like a BON. If you're from Chicago, you know. But like, he's just, ooh, something about him. I'm just like, damn, is this the only place I'm gonna see you ever? But that's not the only reason why I go to the gym. Hello. But no, so we got our fragrance on, we got our bad hair day hat on, period. I also used today for skincare Kiehl's moisturizer. The Ultra moisturizer is so good. Y'all, they said COVID is like 10 times worse right now. I'm really prone to getting COVID. Like, it's actually crazy, like the amount of boosters and shots that I've actually gotten, and none have protected me whatsoever, because I've gotten COVID legit maybe 4 times, I think, like since COVID has started. I didn't get it in 2020 when everyone started to like die. That was so sad. But I definitely got it every year after that. Maybe twice a year. I got it from work twice. I got it from a family member, dad, and he wants to claim that he did not give it to me, which is actually insane because that man literally gave me COVID. Like, I wasn't even going anywhere. Like I was at home for a little bit, and I think maybe for like 2 weeks straight I didn't go anywhere, and this man literally gave me COVID. Crazy. And then I don't know, I'm trying to remember this last time. Because my dad gave it to me. I got it from work twice. Actually, I got it from work 3 times. Yeah, that's so depressing. Okay, let's go to the gym. I got my water. And this is the water bottle we're using. I can link it as well, but it just keeps your water cold. I got a closed top. Usually I bring straws to the gym, which is disgusting. But since COVID's going around, I can't leave my stuff out. Got keys. I got my friend house keys, y'all. I'm like, do you need these, girl, or no? Alright, y'all, we made it to the gym, and look who it is. Say hello. They can see you. Just do this. Okay, y'all still seeing her though. Like you didn't know what she was doing. You was like, hello?
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want. My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know if she too down. Will you be my leading lady?
Leg day done. Now it's time to go take my GLP-1 and make some lunch. We just have a full day today, so. Well, actually, is it really a full day? Ever really a full day? But we're gonna see. But today's workout went really, really well. So I'm pooped. I did a lot of leg work and literally could not feel my butt. Like, it was so bad. But we had a good leg day, and I'm about to eat lunch. Honestly, I don't know why I was craving like sweet and salty, but it's whatever. I did a little bit of the last of my like chia seed pudding. So it's chia seed pudding, a little scoop of Nutella, strawberries, and granola. And then I also had a hash brown, and I put a little bit of like guacamole on top of it. And then we have half of a protein shake that I never finished. I just took my GLP-1, so I don't know how I'm gonna actually feel because I've never taken it like this earlier in the day. I used a protein shake instead of almond milk, and it's a little weird. I hope this don't make me sick. I also need to film today. I might hop on a call with someone that I social media manage. So we're gonna see how today goes. For workouts, I did RDLs, then I did a single leg RDL, then I did cable pull, not cable pulls, cable pushbacks, leg press. And that was really good. Didn't go too heavy today. I did the bike. Did the treadmill for a little bit. My hair is freshly washed. I just have not done it. Like, ugh, I just feel gross. What we're gonna use today is like a maintenance day. For sure. Good old maintenance day, because yesterday I took like an everything shower, and I was really able to shave my legs, shave my cooter. What else did I shave? My butt. Everybody got a little butt hair, okay? So it's gonna be nails, toes. I don't know if I'm gonna put my toes on camera because they look real scary. Definitely want to unbox my mirror today. It's so big. It needs to be put up. The guacamole from Aldi is not bad. I got the spicy one. Let me know if y'all want an Aldi haul. Not me having a little mukbang with y'all. I didn't mean to. But I was just so hungry. I could not focus. Because after the gym, I didn't go straight home. I went to go see my grandmother. She's in a home, so I just went to go see her. I don't know if I could drink this. On a GLP-1, y'all, you literally, like, I feel like I'm usually okay during like during the days of when I take it, and like you do get a little like lightheaded. Like I had took it and then went to the gym like a crazy person. I'm gonna go take a shower and then get ready for the rest of the day. All nice and showered. Y'all, the biggest pimple came in on my face. Like, ma'am, what are you doing here? Like, it hurts. So I think my period is definitely coming early because that's the only reason why it would happen to me. We're in the beauty room. Look, something's different. Look, something's, oh, can you do that? Something's really different. So I unboxed my desk. We are going to unbox my mirror. Look at it. It's so big. I don't even know if it's gonna fit on top of my desk. So let me clean up the rest of this. I don't really have to clean it up. I just gotta like clear some of it out of the way. This is gonna be interesting because I want to be consistent as possible, but I know that like vlogs are very hard to watch, I would say, if you're not a popular person. Am I gonna be one of those girls? This is like calming spray. I need to spray this on my face before I go to bed so I could not be stressed. Because I have high cortisol, baby, and it be through the roof. Tell me why I installed, well not installed, but I put these lashes on recently. Y'all, I was editing in my bed after I did my lashes, and when I was editing, I was like looking up and my eyes are just watering, like it would not stop. So tell me why I woke up lashes just everywhere, all because I could not stop crying. I was like, oh no, like this was a waste of my time. Made a video for it and everything. I was sick to my stomach. Of course I need to straighten everything out, but like look, she's so cute. Like she's that girl, and it's nice and big. The one thing is my vanity is way too small. Like I definitely need a bigger vanity, but that's another problem for another day, because at this point I have 3 desks in this house already, and that's way too many for my liking. I don't even know where half of them would go. I definitely want to keep this one for sure. I could get rid of that one. It's coming together really quickly. My next task is to do my bookshelf so that I can actually store everything correctly. I do have this little guy. This is gonna be either for clothes. I feel like it should be for clothes because I didn't really want to have, plus I don't have the room. I didn't want to put a clothing rack in here for when I'm doing my clothing hauls. So I have these like industrial like clothing racks, mounting racks. So we're gonna use those. All I need is like new stuff to kind of put stuff everywhere. So I'm like little storage bins. Like I cannot wait. It's gonna come together.
I could blame it on the physical. I could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in?
I kind of want a Caesar salad wrap with hummus on the inside. I've been craving salad and I don't want my lettuce to go bad. I prepped some chicken. I don't really be measuring out my protein, but just put a little bit in there. Oh, okay. Because you gotta eat your protein. So I just halfened it up. Yeah, halfened it up. I'm gonna just have that whenever. Parmesan cheese and the rest of my hummus because I've been smashing it for like a whole week. Look at this. And all the water just kind of like seeps out. But your veggies actually are very dry. And actually this ain't even really cooking for real, but it's doing a little something. This little guy broke. We're gonna use our ugly plates, you know. I barely have any hummus in here, but I'm gonna use it to spread on the inside. I was in the mood for Chipotle and then I just like gave up on that thing. Gonna take my chicken, put it on there, sprinkle a little Parm cheese on there. Oh God, came out fast. That might be a little too much, but put that in there. I used to work at this, let me do it that way. I used to work at a sandwich shop. And then I got fired. But it was super fun. And I used to wrap the biggest wraps known to man. But here we go. Ta-da! The aesthetics are off, but it's fine. Okay, strawberry salad. No cheese on the salad. We're just going straight up strawberries on there. And the strawberries that I got, so freaking good. Yep, it's yummy. So I put the balsamic dressing on there. Strawberries, they're so good. And then we got our wrap. I'm gonna try to eat more of my salad. And maybe that won't fill me up as much. Wait, y'all. Not Love Island. Love Island is on. Can't do nothing else. But I'm about to, yeah, I'm just about to watch it. Y'all, that reunion pissed me off so bad. Like, what did we watch? What did we just watch? And no, I didn't take my nails off yet. Like, I'm distraught. Love Love Island. Like, if y'all want to talk about it, we can do a chat and get ready with me because I love it. But I love you guys. But good night. Go to bed. Good morning, y'all. I just wanted to end this video and say the week must go on.